ECRU New York's Acacia Protein BB Cream is a beauty balm for hair. A lightweight styling and conditioning cream that improves manageability, repairs dry, damaged hair, and imparts shine. Squeeze a small amount of Acacia Protein BB Cream and emulsify into your hands. Work through damp hair from root to ends. Gently comb through hair with a wide-toothed comb and style or blow dry as usual. This multi-purpose, incredibly versatile beauty balm increases moisture retention and leaves hair silky and smooth with increased body and shine. Finished look: healthy, hydrated, frizz-free hair.